A colorless, odorless, tasteless gas, helium is gaining worldwide attention for its unique properties. Due to its rarity and versatility, helium is in high demand. Known for its non-reactive properties and relatively high thermal conductivity, helium is critical to human life, from technology and healthcare to space exploration. No longer just a party trick voice changer when inhaled from balloons, helium significantly impacts day-to-day life through healthcare, technology, and transportation. With a wide range of uses, including cryogenics for cooling the supermagnets and MRI machines, heliox mixtures for respiratory treatments for lung deficiencies, including asthma and bronchitis, rocket fuel cleaner, and fiber optics. Demand for helium is high, yet, unbeknownst to most, global supply is low. From your mobile phone to your tablet, on which you read the daily news, life is dependent on helium. Helium is critical to the functioning and safety of airbags, with its use as a propellant due to its near-instant diffusion rate. Helium is synonymous with our lives as we know them today. Why royal helium? Traditionally, helium has been extracted as a byproduct of natural gas production, with price fluctuations playing a large part in the economics of the process. Now, with the global supply of available helium at an all-time low and demand on the rise, companies are actively drilling for helium, with natural gas as the byproduct. Royal helium is different. Due to Saskatchewan's unique geology and gas trapping structures, helium production as a primary product in a nitrogen carrier is possible. Here, helium is found trapped in reservoirs at the Precambrian Basin, where it is formed, and before migrating to the higher hydrocarbon zones where it is produced in the rest of the world. Producing helium from closer to its source before it mixes with natural gas allows for lower processing costs, separating the helium from primarily nitrogen, rather than processing natural gas. Because drilling for helium is very similar to drilling for natural gas, it allows for an almost seamless transfer of knowledge from the oil and gas industry. It does not require special training or equipment. The Royal Advantage. Royal Helium's unique value proposition. The Saskatchewan Advantage. Saskatchewan is the only place on our planet where primary helium, helium produced without natural gas, has been and continues to be found. Saskatchewan offers the benefit of known concentrations of helium and established past and current primary helium production. Saskatchewan also boasts a stable regulatory environment and knowledgeable and largely idle available workforce due to the current climate in the Canadian oil and gas sector. As a helium primary project, the company will not produce hydrocarbons and requires little energy to produce, making Royal Helium one of the few environmentally friendly gas companies in the world. Compared to other jurisdictions, Saskatchewan's helium royalty rates 4.25% compared to upwards of 20% in some places, and land costs are both significantly lower. Saskatchewan is open for business. The company is working with the Saskatchewan Research Council on an engineering and scoping study for a large-scale industrial gas polygenerational facility. Most importantly, size matters. Each well is showing multiple helium pay zones, with some upwards of 40 meters thick. The nitrogen advantage. Because nitrogen can be vented into the atmosphere safely, these stores are easier on the environment than those found in natural gas. Royal Helium's lease holdings are in the Precambrian Basin of Saskatchewan, where helium reserves are found in pools consisting mainly of nitrogen. Nitrogen is also the most significant industrial gas market in North America, representing a potential secondary cash flow stream. The scale advantage. Royal Helium is one of the largest leaseholders of helium in Canada, owning approximately 1 million acres. The helium potential of this land, which has been independently vetted by helium experts, professional geologists, and engineers, is extensive. Royal Helium is in the right place at the right time to drive success. Royal Helium intends to become a leading producer of this valued commodity. As American fields decline, the Canadian helium market is poised to supply a sizable portion of the rising global demand. Royal Helium is positioned in the market for success. Find out more about this exciting opportunity today.